Tingnan mo yung logo, yun din. Ano? Donatives, meron din dito. Ulihin muna natin para makakita natin yung mga panindot. Kano? 142. Anyos? Poster.
Yes, one. White.
£6 for 2.
Gusto mo itong ito sa kabila?
Sige, balik tayo.
Ito ano yan?
Ay, susunod yun.
Parang fish? Parang fish.
What's up guys? Papa Piggy is here. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat dyan. And for today's vlog, pupunta tayo ng Congleton Town. Bibisitahin natin yung kanilang Makers Market. It's just me and my wife. Kasi wala yung dalawang anak ko. Nasa trabaho sila. So tara, let's go. Hanapin na lang natin ang market nila dito. Magbayad lang tayo ng parking, £2.30 hanggang 3 hours. Ito lang pala ang Makers Market nila. Ayan o. Ayan, isa-isahin natin. Apa yun? Cheese. Cheshire cheese, yan din yun eh.
Ha?
Tingnan mo yung logo, yun din. Ano?
Oo.
Ano yun? Cheddar. Mamaya balik tayo. Donatives, meron din dito. Donatives. Parang ano din dito, parang mas marami dito, no? Mga gulay. Bread, ang lalaki. Ulihin muna natin para makakita natin yung mga panindot.
142.
Kano?
142.
Anyos?
No, that's it, thank you.
Balik. May iba yung sourdough? Ay, paano mo initin?
Sa toaster mo.
Gosh, sa toaster natin yun.
Hindi nga tayo. Tignan mo na lang. Isal mo. Well,
Ne, pwede spreadable cheese.
Hindi, pero kung maging healthy ka bata lang. Yung olive butter.
Olive butter? Yung mga fish. Maya tayo sa kabila. Portuguese start.
Tres patisserie.
Dala rin nila yung pangalan Portuguese yan, no? Ang dami rito mga pagkain. Ang laki niyo pag nakaso. Ano? Wala niyan doon sa mga pinupuntahan natin. Ba't may ano kanyan pa? Bali, first time natin dito sa Congleton Makers Market. Ganito palang itsura dito, ang dami oh. Tapos merong ano niyo, tea and coffee bar. Sarap na yun. Roast turkey. Side pork. Ito na siguro yung kanilang, ito na kanilang pinakang town center na.
No, you can either give me a grid square or a...
Mga pang-display. Ano ito na? Bread din, bread. May palaman pa.
No, love, that's jalapeno and red Leicester, and that one's
Jalapeno,
sold
di
out.
maanghang yun
But it's
eh,
not hot. It's got.
Is it not? Can I
It's
try
got a
it?
slight warmth in it.
Oh my god.
Mga souvenirs na mug. Ha? Gusto mo? Hanap daw muna na makakain ng sawa ko at gutom na. Yan ang maganda nga, kahit konti sila na eh.
Kaya ganun?
60. Kahit konti sila, basta compress, magandang tingnan. Hindi yung kukunti na nga tapos hiwa-hiwalay pa. Sorry. O gusto mo doon eh? Ito sa... Yan, sa loob oh. Gusto mo? May pwesto, tingnan mo kung may pwesto.
Have you seen the Carvery wrap?
Yeah, habe. Roast turkey. Side pork.
Kulang ito.
Ganon.
Yeah, one.
On white, brown and multigrain.
White, please.
Do you want it buttered?
Yeah.
And the apple sauce. And onions?
Onion, please.
Just onions.
Yeah, to do it bit of stuffing.
Is stuffing.
Anything else for you guys?
No more, that's all, thank you.
Pardon?
That's all, thank you. Do you put as well,
Pardon?
skin?
They want the crackling?
Yes, please.
Do you want it on the sandwich or separately?
Separate, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sinasabit sa bahay niya o sa pintuan, di ba? Kaya ako Zebra. Sarap tingnan.
Just have white chocolate. It is white chocolate frosting actually. Maybe we should be white chocolate.
Kung kasama ko si Kiara eh, ano kayang sarap dito? Cocktails, spicy. Yan yung kulay green na yun.
This baklava, so that's pistachio. That's cashew pistachio.
Pistachio. How much is a box?
So the full box is 10 or half a box is £6.
Ano ko tayo?
Ano flavor the other one? Pistachio?
Oh, pistachio.
Why it's different? It's just color.
So this is chocolate and pistachio,
Ah.
cashew and pistachio, and just pistachio.
This one is just pistachio. Wow. 1 box.
Huwag na yung may ganun. Huwag na yung chocolate.
Only these two. Is it alright? This only two for a box. 10. 10. Yeah. I tried this baklava and pistachio. Pistachio nga, no? Ano din na rin natin ganyan?
Chocolate? Ayan. Ang sarap yung original.
Okay.
There we go. Is that everything?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is it on cash or card?
cash.
Yeah, that's £10 when you're ready.
There you go.
Thank you.
How much? 3
350 each.
Extra 2 for 6.
or
Two for
6 pounds for
2.
2.
The lemon meringue.
Lemon meringue and
Bisco.
bisco. Please.
Can I just try first, please?
That's the baked strawberry and vanilla one.
Ah, baked strawberry. Which is
Anyway, I'll try.
Thank you.
That's nice.
Is there still a lemon and a strawberry?
Yeah, it is.
Biscuit. Do you need a courier bag?
No, it's alright. Is it alright, Cash?
Cash or card, yeah?
Cash.
Have you got the pound coin? Thank you. I'll just get you £5.
Yeah. Sarap, no?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bacon and chorizo. Chicken and chorizo. Gusto mo itong sa kabila?
Saan? Sige, balik tayo. Aling gusto mo? Yung malaki na o yung maliit?
Malaki na. We have the one with Stilton.
The steak and Stilton.
Ito na yan.
Oh, yan, yan.
Ito.
How much?
They're £7.95 each or 2 for £15.
Dalawa ka naman. You don't have like that chorizo?
There's a pork and chorizo one here.
Ayun, ha?
Can I have this? And one roast
this
pork
one.
and which one? Kale pie?
Steak A5. Which one you like?
I think that one, yeah. Kasi,
Sorry.
yeah. Can I pay it with the cash?
Cash or card?
Cash.
Yeah, that's £15 then. I have got more steaks in the full world, so don't worry.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, yan.
Cheese and onion.
Ay, susunod yun.
Karafish. Karafish.
Susunod yun.
Potato slab.
Spicy tuna is medium to spicy. You've got 2 medium options. You've got chicken barbecue and ginger chicken. These 2 are mine.
Lotus Delight. How much?
12 pieces, £5, 25 pieces, £10.
Thank you.
Mix 6 flavors: cherry, coconut, lemon, apple, pomegranate, rose, and cherry.
Can I have that, please?
Yeah, of course. You can keep a line time more than 2 months.
Oh, right.
Anything else? Baklava, honey cashew.
I bought it already on the other vendor.
Thank you.
The baklava.
We didn't know that you have here.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you, that's nice.
How much?
10 pound, please.
200 grams, 499. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I want to buy the
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you. Different kind of olive. Guys, yung puti oh. Thank you.
Ate, just yung nakain natin na sa hotel. Masarap yung cashew niya.
One more, mate.
Wala naman sila kanya.
She likes this one.
Okay. Would you like
Casio.
mix? Honey cinnamon cashew and honey caramel
Try
cashew.
mo muna yung isa.
Can I try that one, please?
1 or 2? 2 for 5.
Thank you.
No, I prefer this one.
Oh, this one. Kano yun?
499. Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you so much.
Ganda naman dito. Tama mga old building oh. Tingnan lang natin dito kung ano meron dito sa taas. Maganda itong town nila. Ang mga sinaunang building na oh. Ang gaganda oh. Ganda naman ito. Simbahan ba nila ito na? Simbahan ba yan eh?
Hindi ata.
Ha? Parang hindi nga.
Doon tamo ang baba, office. So, baba sa loob.
Parang mga shops. Sukin natin, tingnan natin kung ano ba talaga siya.
Yung pang ano, banda ron pa yung town. Congleton
Town hall.
Town Hall.
Government Congleton Town Council. Kumbaga sa atin dyan sa Pilipinas,
City Hall.
City Hall o Sangguniang Panlunsod. Ganda naman ang kanilang park oh. Ang ganda nga naman ditong pumasok ko nun eh. Tapos magko-coffee ka lang ano. Upo ka dun oh, upo ka. O yung binili mo dun sa Makers Market, dala ka ng kape. O ayos na. Tanga ako sa kanila dito, iba't ibang locality, may kanya-kanyang schedule ng artisan sa market o yung tinatawag na market day nila. Doon sa market day nila, natutulungan ng local yung kanilang mga small business community na i-push yung product o endorse o ipakilala sa mga consumers yung local products nila, which is which is good kasi natutulungan nila yung maliliit na mga business community. So para sa akin, bumili tayo doon sa mga small business community kasi pag bibili ka doon sa mga like big giant supermarket, pag yun ang pinapatronize natin, they are getting bigger and bigger. Kawawa naman yung mga small business community. So yun lang yung aking yun yung view ko. Anong malay mo doon sa mga product na yan, may mga product na magiging sikat at pagka naging popular yung isang product, mare-recognize hindi lang yung product kundi mismo yung local na kung saan siya naibebenta. Halimbawa, pumunta kami ng Portugal, nakilala yung Pastéis de Belém kung saan nag-originate talaga yung Portuguese egg tart. Yun yung naging famous na isa sa mga pagkaing Portuguese. Hindi lang yun, pati yung mga turista pumupunta mismo dun sa lugar para lang matikman. Yun yung nakikita ko dito pagka naging famous yung iyong product, pwede kang puntahan ng mga turista. So yan ang ating experience guys dito sa Congleton Makers Market. Yan yung first time namin na pinuntahan ng lugar na to, at hindi naman kami na-disappoint. Maganda yung kanilang marketplace o yung kanilang Makers Market. Isang hilera siya, one color yung mga gazebo nila, no? Black block, tapos isang street siya. At saka ang kagandahan nun, compress sila kaya magandang tingnan.
Hindi, tsaka mas maraming stall dito.
Tsaka yun, maraming choices lalo na pagdating sa mga pastries, bread, cakes, sweets, souvenirs, ano pa, marami. So guys, hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Puputulin ko na tong vlog na to. So see you again sa mga susunod pa nating mga vlogs. Bye for now.